I'm going to share how you can easily add products to collections on your Shopify website. Let's say you want to create collections to signal different options on your website. Maybe you sell self-care products. So you might have a collection for oils, you might have a collection for creams, you might have a collection for brushes, etc. So I'm going to share with you how you can create different collections on the Shopify website. So what you want to do is once you hit your admin dashboard here, the first thing that you want to do is come here where it says products, and then you're going to look for this collections tab like this. You're going to click on collections, and you see all the different collections I already have. For this example, we're going to create a new one so you can see a little bit of the process of how it works. So let me come in here, click on create collection, and now we're going to click on this. We're going to say, um, we're going to say, so yeah, like this. Now you want to put a simple description describing that collection. So we're going to say, like this. All the self-care items, you can put whatever description you want, but you just want to put a title and a description um, sharing what this specific collection is about. Now you're going to notice here that it says collection type. So you can have manually where you're going to add these products manually one by one, or you can have automated collections. So the store can actually recognize that if products are similar to match them into this collection. Um, you can create different conditions or things that need to match, and then they can all group in this collection automatically. Now, also going to notice here the search engine listing. This is how this is going to show up on Google. So if somebody searched a product or a collection that matches what you have on your website, this is how it's going to appear here. So you want to make sure this accurately represents your website and the products that you're selling. You also have the option here of adding images if you want to use an image to represent that collection, and then choosing the different theme templates as well. But for this example, we're going to save this collection here. So now we have our collection made, right? So if it says view in your online store, so if we wanted to, let's just see how it looks. You would see our selection is going to come up, but we don't have any products in this collection. So let's say now we want to add a product to this collection here. So we're going to go back here. And now you see this collection, self-care is saved. We have the option of actually adding products to this selection here. So now we're going to click on browse. And for this example, let's say we want to add this product right here. We click on add like this. Products are updated. We don't need to save or anything. You see here, we're going to go back to our tab and we're going to refresh this page. You see the product is not in there. If for any reason, maybe you want to remove it, you decide that it doesn't belong in this collection anymore, you simply come back to this page here, you click on this X, you don't need to save anything, you let it update, you come back here to this page, reload this page, it's gone. So that's a quick way of how you can create selections on, or excuse me, collections on your Shopify website. Collections are a great way to group different items on your Shopify website. Very easy to set up. I hope this video was helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and also check out our Etsy store. The link is down below. There's a lot of helpful digital products for business owners such as yourself. Anything from order forms to thank you cards, assets for social media, for marketing purposes. So feel free to check these out. The link is in the description below. And of course, if you have any questions, if you need any help, please feel free to send me an email as well and reach out. But once again, I hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.